Oh, what a body. Chha, there's no range. Where will I get a range? I'll call him right now.
Hmm. Uh, 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 mm. Huh. Yeah, what happened?
Aren't you awake yet?
I wake up. Tell me.
The sun is overhead and still you haven't got up. That's the reason you're not fit. Men should always get up and do workout early morning. Get up and go to the gym.
Yeah, I'm going. I have other works too. Why did you call me?
See, I want six packs.
Do one thing. Wake up early and go to the gym and do workout. You will get abs. Okay, you will become cool.
My body will become cool.
Yeah, or what?
Then I will have to get up early morning, right?
First day it will be hard. Set alarm, then you will have habit to wake early. Okay?
Oh, really? Okay, then tomorrow morning you go to the gym early.
Why should I go to gym? You want six pack, so you should go to gym.
It's not for me, it's for you.
Huh? What? For me?
Why? If you love me, you cannot do this much for me. Okay? Bye.
Okay.
Yeah, get up early. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Mm. Oh God. Oh. Sir, you awake? Why are you smoking in early morning? I don't have any work. How should I start? How should I get it? Hey! It was 10 rupees stuff. Are you mad? It is not good for health to smoke in early morning. You don't know this thing?
This is affecting me. What's your problem?
Shut up. Look at yourself. Yeah, look at your chicks. This stomach, not maintaining your health. How you will impress Chinju?
You are saying like she's already impressed with me. Get lost.
Hey, listen, you don't know. What? Chinju told Divya that Chinju is interested in fit boys. Understand? Who said Divya?
No, Chinju.
One man is beautiful from inside his body.
Then what about her?
These all things are old.
Oh.
Now what? Just go to the gym, build some muscles, and Chinju will impress by you. Then she will be yours.
Get lost.
Really? So I have to go to gym now. I feel sad because you don't have a girlfriend. That's why. From tomorrow, I will come gym with you. Yeah.
Oh, you are great.
Nothing like that. So, from tomorrow we are gym boys. Yeah? Let's go inside.
Now I will lose fat. Hey, take care.
We come like that only.
Hey there, cycle for cardio.
Hey, shut up. We will make body. Come on. We will start with this.
I will sit here.
Yeah, sit down. I will go there. Hey bro, do fast please.
Huh? Sit on one thing.
I will do here. I will build muscle like this.
Let him finish.
Hey, listen. Let's go there.
Huh?
We'll do that exercise.
Let me ask someone.
go.
Hey, wait. Hey. Hey, what are you doing? You joined today, right? I'm a trainer of this gym.
Huh? Yeah. So what?
You didn't see me coming inside. I'm a trainer. Sorry, sir. He didn't know that. Sir, call me Ashan. Exercise for beginners are there. Let's go. Hey, let's go.
He's mad or what?
Come on, man. First learn this, then we'll see.
What rubbish is this? We can do all this at home also.
Okay, you go home. I will finish this.
Chinju will get married until you do all this and make six abs.
Wait.
You are totally mad.
It will kill me. Don't touch that. If you will see, he's gonna beat us.
Can't we pick this? Hey, listen. Take my phone and click a picture of me.
Picture.
Take.
Whose picture? Yours.
My son is there.
Son.
My six abs should be visible.
There's nothing.
Okay, done. Now
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
my turn. Yeah, give me. You just leave now. Why would you want a pic? Just leave it.
Oh. Look at my bicep. It's going up.
Yeah, my biceps. If I'll be fit, then does Chinju will like it? Yeah. Yeah, Chinju will like it.
Yes, it's interesting. Hey, which muscle is this? Which comes in this size?
Oh, listen. Where will I find rock?
Rock?
Yeah, you have mixer. Then why you want rock? Just for exercise. Hey, are you gone mad? Just now Hassan said don't lift the weight. He said he'll help me to fix my relationship, but don't know what he's doing. Mad, just leave him. Understand? Just make your body.
Huh?
What's the point? Why saying me to work out again and again? Yeah, mom. I will build 6 abs from this. What should I tell mom?
God! Help me!
What happened?
Please don't ask.
What exactly is wrong with you?
I'll tell you.
I guess someone told him to build his body. He lifted something without any support, and after that I saw
He's on floor like a sick dog.
Oh,
poor guy. It's not like that. I just lost my balance. You don't listen to him, understand? Listen. It should be happen with his tongue, not with his hand. Stupid. Bloody fellow. Rascal.
sorry. I saw a movie in which the guy had 6 packs. I was inspired, so I forced you to do all this. But you don't do all this. I think you should leave all this now. You look good without 6 packs only. Just leave all this, okay? My mom is calling me. I'll meet you later. You take care.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye. I'll see you.